Hello, happy Tuesday. Welcome back for another recipe review. If this is your first time, welcome. I am Cassandra and this is Cooking with Cass Rico. This week's recipe review is going to be different and I'll tell you why in a bit. This weekend, I finally ventured out for one of my very first trips in such a long time. I went to visit a couple friends of mine in Portland, Oregon, and we had the absolute best time ever. They agreed to let me cook for them in exchange for a recipe review, so that is what we got going on. Stay tuned and I will go over the recipe. Until then, enjoy some clips of Portland. These here are called winter no, I'm just kidding. I don't know. That's right, everyone agreed on vegan nachos, and that is exactly what I made. We stopped at Whole Foods to get some fresh produce and all the ingredients we needed. So I started by heating some olive oil and adding red peppers to that. Once that softened up a bit, I crumbled up some tempeh. And then I added in soy rizo and pinto beans, season however you'd like. I added some of the shredded vegan cheese just to give it some ooey gooiness. This was my first time trying this brand and highly recommend. We loved it. I made my own homemade guac, and then I started with a little pile of tortilla chips. Added on some of the cheese on the very first layer, stacked on some of the tempeh mix. And then I made a double-decker nacho, so repeat. I added salsa to the top, jalapenos, and we have some lime and radish, if that's your vibe. Serve warm, but it also does not taste bad once it cools down. We had a barbecue with veggie burgers, regular burgers, veggie pasta. We had jalapeno poppers. Everyone pitched in and the food was so good. What do you want to have? Hi, this is Jessica and Hector, and they just tried my vegan nachos. What did you think? Were they vegan nachos or were they just good nachos?
Amazing. I had no idea that they were vegan. They were so delicious, so flavorful.
Would you eat them again?
Definitely. Yeah.
Okay.
Absolutely delicious. I don't do seconds, much less thirds, and I definitely did thirds. So it was absolutely delicious.
Yeah. All right. So,
Definitely recommend.
are we going vegetarian? I'm just kidding.
I'm an omnivore.
So, have either of you had tempeh before?
No, first time.
So, what did you think about it? Did you even notice it?
No, I think all the flavors and whatever was in it just like kind of complemented each other. So it was good. It was very flavorful.
Okay. And do you think you'll?
I definitely tasted some. I tasted it, but like I didn't know what it was, but everything else was just so good with
Did
it.
it taste like meaty? Or like what did it?
Like greeny.
No, definitely
No,
not
it
greeny.
wasn't
But it was good.
grainy. No, it was good. I can't even explain it.
Would you guys try cooking with tempeh? You should.
I would if I knew how to.
It's really easy. I have some recipes on my channel.
Gotta check it out.
Check it out, Casrico on YouTube. All right. Well, thank you for eating and trying it out. And I can't wait to make you guys more meatless meals. So there you have it. My very own recipe was reviewed this week by some of my great friends, and we had the best time in Portland. It was a pleasure of mine to cook a little for them, and I can't wait to do it again soon. Until then, take care. If you've made it this far, please be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video if you want more travel stuff like this. Bye!